So in this haircut, we are going to take the sides and back down nice and tight, but we're going to keep a little bit of length on top so that my model can wear the top either brushed back, nice and smooth, or with some texture. It gives him some versatility to be able to dress his hair in many different ways. So, as you can see, the very first section that I'm taking is that center section on the center top, combing it straight up. That now becomes the guide for the rest of the top. I'm taking another section to the right of that center section, combing it straight up. As you can see, I am now using that previous section that I'd already cut as my guide to know how short to cut this section. And I'm going to continue to take sections to the right. Here we go, boom, right there, another section, combing that up, over directing to the previous section. I'm going to finish the right side on the top, then we're going to do the left side on top. And then once we've done that, we will start to take down the side and back. Alright, so as you can see, what I'm doing right here is I'm cutting the upper half of the side and back through my fingers. And I'm basically just blending that upper half with the top. Okay, now I've got my clippers and I've got a guard on there to remove a lot of the bulk. We're going to then clean up the outline, but right now we're just bulk removing. So as you can see, I'm removing the bulk on the back side and then working my way to the right side. And then we'll continue all the way around the rest of the haircut. Alright, so as you can see now, I no longer have the clippers in my hands. I now have the trimmers in my hands. And basically, trimmers take the hair shorter than clippers. Trimmers are going to give it a nice, clean outline. It's what you're going to use to clean someone's neck, someone's sideburns. And I'm just going through and I'm going to use these trimmers to really clean up the outline all the way, I should say the hairline slash outline all the way around the haircut. And then we'll get the clippers back in our hands to kind of just fade out and really clean up that outline. Alright, so the trimmers are no longer in my hands. As you can see, I've got the clippers, but I don't have a guard now. So I'm taking the clippers and just basically removing any type of line that the trimmers may have caused. So I really like a blended, faded out hairline. I'm not a big fan of when the hair has a blunt line cut into it. I like it when it goes from neck to hair in a faded out blended hairline. Now, again, that's my personal preference. Some people do like to have an outline. I just enjoy seeing no outline. Alright, so now that the outline is all cleaned up, what I'm doing is I'm doing some scissor over comb to just blend in the lower half of the sides and back with the upper half even cleaner. So I'm going to continue to do this all the way around the head, and then we will go ahead and address the top with a little bit of texture, and then finish it up with some styling by using some pomade. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can see, we've come to the end of this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the section below. You can see we've dressed the hair with some texture, utilizing some pomade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.